What if I told you there are creatures living deep in the ocean that are so bizarre, so strange they could only come from science fiction? Well, they're real and they've been caught on camera. Today, we're counting down the 8 weirdest deep sea monsters ever captured on film. From glowing squids to alien-like jellyfish, these creatures are unlike anything you've ever seen before. Starting at number 8 on our list, we have the Venus flower basket, Euplectella aspergillum. This glass sponge creates an incredibly strong glass skeleton that's tougher than some human-made materials. It grows deep in the Pacific Ocean and provides a home for monogamous shrimp who live inside it for life. This strange symbiotic relationship is the ultimate captive love story, where the shrimp are trapped inside the glass skeleton, but scientists still don't know how the sponge and shrimp communicate. They may even be relying on secret signals that we're still discovering. Could the glass structure of this sponge hold the secret to creating new materials on Earth? At number 7, we have the barrel-eye fish, Macropinna microstoma. Imagine a fish with a transparent head that lets you see its rotating tubular eyes. The barrel-eye fish lives in the twilight zone of the ocean, using its transparent head to detect shadows of prey above it. Its eyes can rotate to look forward to track food. This weird fish is the only known vertebrate with this type of rotating eye system. Some scientists believe its ability to move its eyes allows it to track prey in the dark waters where light barely exists. How does the transparent head of the barrel-eye fish help it survive in the deepest parts of the ocean? Number 6 on our list is the vampire squid, Vampiroteuthis infernalis. This creature isn't quite a squid, and it isn't an octopus either. It's neither fish nor monster. The vampire squid shoots bioluminescent mucus when threatened, turning itself inside out and revealing its spines to scare off predators. It lives in the oxygen minimum zone, where most other creatures can't survive. Its bioluminescent mucus has even been described as looking like something out of a sci-fi horror movie. What makes the vampire squid able to thrive in oxygen-starved waters when other creatures can't? Coming in at number 5, the sea pig, Scotoplanes globosa. These pink pig-like creatures are actually sea cucumbers, and they walk on their tube feet across the ocean floor. These creatures travel in herds, migrating in groups of hundreds across the abyssal plains. They play an important role in the deep sea ecosystem by feeding on organic matter buried in the mud. It's as if they're livestock of the deep sea, marching together in an underwater parade. Why do sea pigs travel in herds across the seafloor? Could they be helping to maintain the ecosystem down there? For number 4, we have the Dumbo octopus, Grimpoteuthis species. With its large ear-like fins, the Dumbo octopus looks like it's floating through water with wings, just like Disney's Dumbo. This ghostly octopus can live in the deepest parts of the ocean, where light doesn't reach. It's the deepest dwelling octopus known to science and uses its ear-like fins to glide through the water with almost no effort. Its jelly-like body helps it withstand extreme pressure and remain graceful in the darkest depths. How do Dumbo octopuses survive in the deepest, darkest ocean without using much energy? Our number 3 pick is the big fin squid, Magnapinna species. These alien-like squids have insanely long arms that can stretch up to 8 meters long, about as long as a school bus. They hold their arms perpendicular to their bodies, giving them a look like they're flying in the water. These squids live in the deepest ocean trenches, and scientists are still figuring out how they use their incredibly long arms to hunt. Some believe these squids sense vibrations from prey using their arms, but no one knows for sure yet. How does the big fin squid hunt with such massive, unwieldy arms? Could they be the key to solving mysteries of deep-sea hunting techniques? In the runner-up position at number 2, we have the Dana octopus squid, Taningia dani. This squid has the largest biological lights in the animal kingdom, bioluminescent headlights the size of lemons. These bioluminescent headlights flash brightly to startle and disorient prey. Scientists believe this squid uses its lights not only to hunt, but also to communicate and defend itself. It's possible that the squid uses different light patterns to signal others of its kind in the pitch-black deep. Could the massive lights on the Dana squid be a form of communication or even courtship in the deep sea? And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the flying spaghetti monster, Bathyphysa conifera. This weird colonial organism has a look that can only be described as a floating mass of spaghetti with pink-tipped arms. But don't let its appearance fool you, this creature is a sophisticated predator. Each zooid in the colony has its own role, whether it's for feeding, swimming, or reproduction.